Paul B. Moyers here, talking about how a little bit of maintenance can go a very long way. This is a two-stage snowblower right here. Things that wear and break and then cause the entire unit to have to be replaced are things called skid shoes. They're usually reversible, so you can get double the life out of them. This customer decided to never check or change it. The whole idea of a skid shoe is to have the whole unit drive on the bottom of it so that this wears and then your housing stays nice and firm for a very long time. All you gotta do is loosen up these bolts, slide this down if there's wear left, or flip them over and tighten them down. The bolt heads on this customer's have worn through, not just here. And then underneath, from side to side, is usually a scraper bar, which has completely worn away, which now the housing has fully ripped and lipped up. And once that goes, you have to replace this whole entire housing shell. It's usually never worth doing it, because if you let it go that bad there, how well did you take care of it up here as well? So bringing these in for yearly services, or just simply looking at it before you use it and do a couple minor tweaks here and there, will make your snowblower last a lot longer.